So understand what we've done so far. We basically created a simple, interactive, dynamic slideshow using my simple point-and-click techniques inside of Adobe Edge. Adobe Edge writes all the code, all the JavaScript code, and all the HTML code needed to make the application work. The only thing we had to do, because we're running this inside of a separate application that's not on the same server and that doesn't understand where the paths are, so keep in mind, anytime you put a custom script inside of a WordPress site, it does need an absolute path to that particular site, and that's basically what we've accomplished here. So this is really child's play. All we need to do is copy this from point A to point B, from right there to right there. We just simply copy that. We go into our application inside of inside of Ultimatum Theme Framework. So here we are inside the Ultimatum Theme Framework, and I have basically a simple post. Now this could be put inside of a widget, inside of a text widget. This could be basically put inside of a page, or in this particular case, inside of a post. We're going to keep this really, really simple. So here is my custom slideshow, which is basically just the post, etc., etc. We're going to go and edit the post and make sure that text is selected, not visual. Make sure text is selected and simply paste. I copy from Dreamweaver or a text editor, whatever you're using, and I simply update that. So if I want to go view that post, just like that, there is my slideshow. How cool is that? Plus, it's responsive design. Now, we can make the slideshows as sophisticated as you want to with text and all kinds of custom JavaScript that we can write inside of Adobe Edge Animate. We'll do more of that in subsequent videos coming up, but right now I want you to get really excited about how simple it was to make our own custom slideshow. Now, for those of you that are saying, well, that's nice, but why do I need to go into Edge? Because I can do this right from Ultimatum, because Ultimatum has all these built-in slideshows. Well, that's true, but we're just touching the tip of the iceberg for what we can do in Adobe Edge, and this is a very, very powerful technique to be able to do, to basically build something totally from scratch in Edge and then interact with it dynamically, which is something that really Ultimatum doesn't do. It's got a lot of great slideshows built into it, but you can make your own. We're going to go into really deep how-tos in subsequent videos coming up. Thank you very much for being here. It's really this simple. I make it simple and I make it enjoyable, and that's what separates my training from any other training out there, is I teach you to let the software do the heavy lifting. Thank you very much for being here. My name is Robert Farrell. Enjoy the day.